pinagpapasalamat ko kasi, you know, it's an advocacy na walang bayad. Pero since, you know, you belong to this cinema, you belong to this industry, entertainment industry, so best foot forward, and at the same time, however you can use your influence to spread the cause, diba? So, malaking karangalan sa akin yung bilang artista.
You mentioned na in love ka.
Kailangan ko na umalis, guys. No, just like March 29. Napahamak ko. Hindi, Shai and I already talked about it. And what's important, I said, is what you say is true and sincere. So whatever we have, whatever we talked about, okay na yun. You know, there are some bashings, there are a lot of, you know, comments, and what's good about all of this is that it's important that we know what is true, and we are okay.
Botong nga mo sa kanya.
Yes, boto rin ako sa kanya.